make it this far? Who knew that I'd take it this far? To the sky where I'm setting that bar. I'm the light, yeah, I got it out the dark.
Malweni. Good morning. It's coronation day. It's the day of the exam. The time is 7:30 a.m. I just woke up. Also, guys, damn clearly is a crustiness yam because this is my page. So I need to go take a shower, get dressed, and be on my way. As I said, to do Pali Library, I'm writing in the library. So I have to take a taxi. And I have to catch the taxi before 8:30 because Azi is after 9. So I'm trying to, be there on time. So let's go spend a day with me. Send it right. My mom is accompanying me. She's gonna take me to the bus stop because she's my mommy. Yeah, it's either that or I have to walk 10 to 15 minutes to the bus stop, and I'm already late as well. So yeah, I didn't have breakfast. I'm gonna have a fruit. I should be eating an apple because of fiber. Does this have fiber? I'm gonna actually do research, but I hate apples. But also I don't really need much fiber. I eat lots of fiber every single day, and I've already pooped for the day, so my gut is healthy. I poop every single day. Also, if this is too much TMI for you, you probably don't belong in my page because there's no such thing as TMI when it comes to normal bodily functions, and pooping is a normal bodily function, or body function. So yeah, anyways, wish me luck, y'all. It's so hot. It's so freaking hot. Oh, and my mom gave me a guava. That's a guava. It's so small. But yeah. I just finished writing my paper and I don't even know what to say. That has to be the hardest exam I've written in a very long time. So many concepts that I wasn't sure of. I don't even know how I feel. I feel like I'm just low-key traumatized overall because I feel like I'm still not processing how horrible it was, because I feel like I only finished 5. I don't know why that guy is waiting for me because I don't want to entertain him. So I only had like 5 minutes left before the test was going to automatically submit. I haven't even had time to process it, and you know what, I'm not gonna process it. I'm just gonna like tuck it away and forget about it. So right now, because I'm starving, I'm gonna go get something to eat. So there's a place here that sells fish and chips, so I think I'm probably gonna get that, and then I'm gonna go to the beach and unwind, maybe take a dip, because it was hot a couple of minutes ago. Now it's not as hot, but I think I'm still gonna take a dip. I'm gonna see though. So let's go. Okay, so so I wasn't able to go to the fish and chips place. Apparently they closed down. Business was slow, that's what I was told. So now I am going to another place to grab something to eat. And my sister, oh guys, I love my sisters. She's gonna send me money because I don't have much money. So she's gonna send me money so I can eat. I love my sister so much. I love y'all. Anisikhuthuzanga nje ezinye imoto. Ezinye imoto anisikhuthuzanga nje. Ezi zidlulayo. Mamanga. Oh my goodness. Man, so they just want to check. They saying they want to check my bag, but I know they're lying. They just want to talk to me. Guys, men irritate me so much. I think for those who know me, they know that I'm like men's #1 hater. Those who don't know me, welcome to my page. I am men's #1 hater. This is what I want. We're not saving the planet. Well seasoned, very good. Let's try the toast. Also, I'm feeling a bit cold. It's very chilly here. Bacon, ordered bacon and cheese toast sandwich. I think I'm gonna go with my hands. I like the saltiness of the bacon. Very good. I actually found a hair on my food, but I didn't complain. It was a white hair, but I didn't complain. I want to know, do y'all complain when you find something wrong? You know, when you're food? I feel like I watch way too much of 90 Day Fiance for me to, I mean, not 90 Day Fiance, Come Down With Me. I watch way too much Come Down With Me for me to not care that much. I don't know, what is it? Should I care? I mean, this is the first time this is ever happening to me, and my waiter saw me, but I chose not to complain because what's the point? I've already eaten the food. The best they can do is give me a free meal, and I don't feel like getting a free meal. I mean, not that I don't feel like it, but I don't see the point of it. So, but yeah, that's what happened. Feeling like desserts. I think I'm gonna order a brownie just to consolidate myself. You know, the exam yum. Yeah, let's go for a brownie and ice cream. This thing I never turn out to be the. I'm such a sucker for chocolate. I don't want it to melt. Oh, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I think I'm not showing anyone. Okay, it's a bit cold now. Part of me still wants to, you know, even if dip my my feet in the water. So I think I'm gonna change and just see if I'm gonna go all the way in or what. But I think I'm gonna change, so let's change. Okay, let's go in. Oh my days, I just saw this woman. She was asking me, she's one of the cleaners here, and she's like, and then I'm like, and she's like, Jagbona, like Ausakulang, and I'm just like, oh my days, now I see you guys. This lady has been here since I was like a baby. I grew up basically at this beach, so my dad used to take us here every single day growing up. Like we would be here from like 8 a.m. till 5-6 p.m. and we were kids, mind you. So she's like, I can tell Dagbon, you know, Dagbon was like so cool. I'm just like, oh my days. It was just a reminder of, you know, of my childhood. It was a very beautiful interaction. Hopefully the water is not cold. Also, I'm gonna ask the lifeguards to keep my stuff for me because I have my laptop with me. I know they will definitely do it because I'm a girl, you know. But I don't want to be asked out or any of those things. I really don't want to have those interactions. But for my case, I don't really have much of a choice. So yeah. Okay, we're going. I'm actually so late. My sister is already here to pick me up. I look so crusty. Oh my days. Is this me? This is all me. I see my sister. Oh wow. Oh, I'm so tired. I was running. My goodness.
You loved it. You deserved it.
I deserved it, that's for sure. The water was amazing. It was actually very nice, but very salty.
Why are you tasting the water?
Hey, Wakon, you don't do it intentionally, and I'm not opening my mouth. It's just the water is salty. That's all. It's the ocean. But it was actually very nice. Perfect temperature. Not too cold. It was just rats. Wanna know what I ate? I ate the toasted sandwich, bacon and cheese with some chips, and then I had a brownie and ice cream to reward myself. Best thing I've ever had. And thank you for giving me money. It made a huge difference. It was the decider between getting a brownie and not getting a brownie. I need to take a shower now. I can feel my skin itching. Ma, send boy. Am I cut pin? Hi. Kala one land guy. Teno nga baga makat. Amba look pen. Wait. This is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for engaging. Yeah. Hopefully Manchester City wins. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.